Hello, Pompano Beach. This is Pompano Beach Mayor Rex Harden. It is Tuesday, April 21st. I just want to give us a quick update on a few items here. Just want to reach out to the folks in Pompano Beach and elsewhere so they can know what's going on. Start with, I hope everybody is utilizing their mask whenever they go out any place, as far as when they go to the store of any type. And remember, we need to wear our masks or some sort of facial covering. If you don't have a mask, you can use a bandana, you can use a t-shirt, you can use something that covers your face. So please, and make sure that we all do that. It's important to make sure that we all stay safe. Now, big announcement just came out recently here today or yesterday. The McDonald's Corporation is actually offering free meals to all of our first responders, as far as the police, the fire, the healthcare workers. So starting tomorrow, that's April 22nd, McDonald's is offering free meals to all of our first responders, police, fire, and healthcare workers. All they have to do is show their work badge, and they can get free breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So pass that on to all the first responders that you know of so they can benefit for all they do. And to follow up on that with more about first responders, I'd just like to point out the City of Pompano Beach, we have been changing the colors on our sails, the Atlantic Boulevard sails. We got lights that light up on those sails, and we've been changing the colors to recognize all of the first responders in our community, be they police, fire, healthcare workers, even the grocery store workers. I tell you, folks, all of these folks are out there helping make sure that we can get the stuff that we need and helping make sure that we stay safe. So a big thank you to all of our first responders and essential employees. Like I said, healthcare workers, even grocery store clerks out there who are out there working every day so that we can get what we need. So thank you to them. Big news in the City of Pompano Beach coming up this Thursday, April 23rd. We have got a food donation giveaway. It's going to be located out at the Isle Casino in a big parking lot right off Powerline Road, just south of Southwest 3rd Street. It's the southwest corner of the Isle Casino property. They've got a huge parking lot out there, and we have partnered with Feeding South Florida, and we're going to have a free food distribution there on Thursday morning, beginning at 9 o'clock. It's going to run from 9 to 11. It's people will be staying in their vehicles. It's just a drive-through location where you drive through with your vehicle, you pop the trunk so we can put food in the trunk for you. Approximately 40 pounds of food per vehicle. It's not per person, it is one per vehicle. So one person, you don't have to load the whole family in the car. You can just have one person comes through with the vehicle. And it's a great opportunity for us to help out the folks in the Pompano Beach area with some needed foodstuffs that in this day and age right now, with all that's going on and loss of incomes, there's a tremendous need out there. So Thursday morning, April 23rd, beginning at 9 o'clock, first come, first serve until the food runs out. But we figure we should have enough food there on hand from the Feeding South Florida folks to supply about 1,000 cars. So I hope we'll see you there. Let's see. Okay, on the healthcare front, the state has now opened up a walk-up clinic here in Pompano Beach at the Mitchell Moore Community Center. We've got a walk-up testing clinic set up so folks can go out there and they can get tested. It's walk-up designed for folks who maybe don't have transportation in that local area, but it's open to anybody who wants to show up there. But it's not a drive-through facility. You have to park and get out of your vehicle and walk up and get tested, which that's what we really need. We need a lot more testing. And throughout South Florida, we really need testing. That is going to be the key to reopening our South Florida economy and our nationwide economy, really. We have got to have more testing. Moving on. Okay, let's talk about what's going on with trying to get things back open in the city of Pompano Beach and Broward County and throughout this entire area. There have been discussions already. I've been in conference call meetings and discussions with other mayors, with county commissioners, the county mayor. There's a lot of discussions about ways that we can potentially start to reopen our facilities. And it's going to be a gradual process because we have to be mindful that we've got to follow the guidance from the CDC and the folks that really know what they're talking about with this virus, the COVID virus. But we want to try and start loosening things up as quickly as possible but we have to be mindful of the testing and what the science shows us. So we're talking about perhaps starting a little loosening of the recreational facilities, allowing people. We're not talking about beaches yet because we saw what happened up in Jacksonville. If you open the beaches a little bit because there's such a demand out there, then you suddenly get flooded with people. And we still have to maintain social distancing and masks and things like that. So it's not going to be the beaches, but perhaps you know, additional maybe golf courses, tennis courts, individual type things. No group sports, no basketball courts, maybe boat ramps, things of that nature. So there's discussions ongoing, and we'll see how this plays out going forward. Now, on top of that, of course, the city government continues to run. Even though City Hall is closed, our city staff is working from home, and some folks are in City Hall, but like I said, City Hall is closed. But you can contact City Hall via telephone, and especially via electronic means. Email is the best way, really, because that way folks can respond when they get the emails. So like I said, City Hall is open. City government is up and running. We will be having our first city commission meeting since the COVID virus happened on Tuesday, April 28th. It will be a virtual meeting, and there are instructions on the city website if you'd like to participate. You can call in. The meeting itself will be televised live on channel 78, just like it always is, or via webcast. But yes, you can participate, you can watch, and city government is still moving forward. We're working hard for you. Hopefully you're going to stay safe out there. Please stay home, stay safe right now. It's still difficult times. There's still people getting infected. Unfortunately, there are still folks losing their lives to this virus. So that's it for now. I just wanted to reach back out and give you a quick update. And I will see you next week. Thank you. And if there's any questions on anything, please go to the city's website. That's PompanoBeachFL.gov. There is a tremendous amount of information there for businesses, for individuals, all under the coronavirus tab. So please stay safe, and I'll see you next week. And thank you for all you do out there to help our community. God bless. Be safe.